So welcome all. Today we are seeing about matter in our surroundings. So we all know about matter can be defined as the matter as any space or weight which occur in a surroundings. So which can be on the basis upon the matter we can classify it as the solid, liquid or gases. And matter can also neither be classified as acids or bases. So based upon their activity, based upon their purposes, and we can use the acids and the bases in our daily life. We use the acids and the bases has been a variety of the purposes. Then fire control is another topic of in our conduct. Then we can move into the topic. So matter in our surroundings. So what is matter? How does it is defined? Then matter occupies space and has a mass. So every object or every matter should be obtaining a occupiable spaces. Then only it is called matter. Then another one is mass. So matter has also a mass. So we can quantifiable the mass as the matter. Then we can quantify its or our purposes. Then exists as the solid, liquid and the gas. So matter can be varied from the states as solid, liquid and gases. So based upon their particle distribution or a particle movement, the matter can be defined thus on the three categories. Then another categories also have basically we can classify this of the states. Then the particles have the motion and the attractions. So matter can be defined as the three stages, and it is based upon the particle motion and attraction. So based upon the solid we can state that solid is a very considerable spaces and a very large masses compared to the liquid or the gases. So in a solid the particles are distributed in a shortest area or shortest distance. The particles have very long of attraction and a very motion, very lower the motion is there and a very fast attraction is there. So in the solid the particles are very shortest in distance. Then on the liquid the particles have the some far distance rather than from the solids, so they can move to rather than the solids. Then liquids also have a motionable states comparable to the solid. Then moving to the gas, then gas have the very extraordinary motion of energy. Then they have the shortest attraction. So it's very that when the matter have the shortest motion, it have the long attraction. When the matter have the highest motion, it have the shortest attraction. That's the. Then we move into next temperature effect on the matter. Then how does the temperature affect on the matter? Then how does this define the states? Then heating increases particle movement. So whenever we boil in a liquid, it will be attain the boiling point at 100 degrees Celsius and it boil that. So when the boiling is also a changing of the matter's state. So it's from the liquid state we can change the state of a liquid as gases. So it boiled as a evaporated as a gas molecules. So heating will increase the particle movement. So as we already told that particle movement will be causes the highly lower particle interaction. So it's only depend upon the gas molecules. Then next melting, boiling, evaporation. So there occur melting, boiling and evaporation. Then cooling causes condensation and freezing. So in contrast of the boiling and melting, cooling is the reverse process of melting. Then cooling causes the condensation and the freezing. So we already know that liquids are will be condensated or freezing to solids. Then states of matter and their characteristics. Then what are the states have there? Solids, liquids and gases. So solids will be fixed shape. Likewise, for example, a wooden piece then a water bottle, a books, something etc. They have the strong attraction. So because of the strong attraction, they attained a specified shape and a specified mass. So the molecule will be larger attraction of the inner particles. Then liquids have the flow of motion, something of for motion rather than to the solids. Then no fixed shape. So liquids are, we already know the liquids have the no fixed shape. If we pour into a liquid into a water bottle, the liquid will be attain the water bottle shape, or we'll pour into a cup of tea bottle, then it will be attain the tea bottle shape. So liquids have the no fixed shapes and it can movable or the flow of energy. Then gases are highly compressible and weak forces. So on the gas molecules, the molecules are move at a faster or move at a larger speed, then it's highly compressible. Then it's only interact with when it compressible to their lower states. So gas is the ultimate energy state of the matter. Okay. The next is acids, bases and salt in our daily life. So acids and bases already have the property of matter. So acids neither be liquid or solid. Then base is also liquid or solids. Okay. Then acids we can take as the daily examples like lemon, curd. Then lemon have citric acid, curd, and also have the acids. Then turmeric have the property of the acids. Then bases of the soap, it is a basic on the based upon the basic property. We use the soap as daily basis. Then baking soda we use it for the food alteration. Then salt we use as the table salts, the common salt. Then washing soda we use as the salt properties. Then these are the salt for some short examples we use in the daily life. Okay. Then uses of acids and bases and salt. So we you do know or not, acids, the very fruits and vegetables have the acids, then they have contained the shortest of the amount of the bases. So acid is apart from this chemically acids, the cleaning agents and the batteries we use by the acids. So the cleaning agents, for example the bleaching powder or another hydrogen peroxide used as the nail cleaning, some of the examples of the acids. Then batteries will be, for the batteries it should be give a electrolytes. So battery for acids it will give the releasing of H+. It was the property of acids. So when it release the H+, the battery will be worked on a proper manner. So we use acids for the batteries. Then bases for antacids. So every doctor will be prefer, or a person will have the acidic problem in their stomach, the doctor will be prescribed that the antacids for the antagonist. So another one is detergents. For the detergents for the cleaning we use as the bases. Then salt. What are the salt? Salt is the food fertilizers industry. For the fertilizers, the soil needs the salt of the electrolytes. Then okay. Then fire control. So fire control is another topic of in our today. Then fire needs heat, fuel, oxygen. So what should be the need of the fire? So fire need heat. So for a temperature high, the lava to heat from that 0 degrees Celsius to fire, it's needed to heat. Then need a fuel. So and the fire should not be fire in our water. So it should be need a fuel. Then oxygen. Then the atmosphere have the lot of oxygen. Then only it's spread as a fire. Then without the oxygen, the fire will be lost. Then remove heat water. So this is the remedy for heat reducing, that pour the water to remove the heat. Then shut oxygen form sand. So these are the three remedies for reducing the fire control. So shut the oxygen. So oxygen. So firing is also caused by the contact with the oxygens and fuel. So oxygen will be oxide the fire to spread the fire. So from the shutting the oxygen, we use for the foam or sand. So foam and sand also cut the interaction between the oxygen and the fire, heat or fire. Okay, then remove fuel forces. So whenever the leakage of the fuel, it causes when mean the fire control, then we cut or remove the fuel sources to reduce the fire. Okay, so this is the conclusion of this topic. Then we conclude that matter changes state with the temperature. So matter can change with the respect of the temperature. Whenever we increase the temperature, it can change the status. Then acids, bases, salt are significant in life. So we use our acids and bases in a daily basis. We use as daily purposes. Then fire control ensures safety. So for the proper fire control, it ensures the safety and the precautions also a safety manner. So that's all today. Thank you all.